Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So what does it mean actually? So artificial intelligence means it is a branch of computer science, right? So it's a research branch where we're trying to produce something that is intelligent, okay? So artificial meaning it's not human, something that is artificial, and intelligence means something that can be intelligent, okay? That can use its own brain or whatever it has to understand the data and decide for itself, okay? So it's basically building smart machines that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Okay, so let me just quickly Google it and show it to you. Some examples. Artificial intelligence, right? So you see all these pictures, right? So they're trying to tell you something like we're trying to replicate human beings. We're trying to find out how, all these works. So let's go to this site by builtin.com. And I'd like to give you some examples from Forbes as well. Who doesn't know Forbes, right? So let's go here. It's basically human beings can think in different ways, right? Thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, acting rationally. So these are the ways AI is being used. Okay, so we're going to learn more about like smart assistants like Siri. If you have an iPhone, you have Siri, right? Or a smart assistant. All of these uses artificial intelligence algorithms. For example, when you say something, it tries to process the data, like whatever you say, and try to find meaningful information and then answer your queries accordingly. Artificial intelligence is also being used for mapping diseases or as prediction tools. In manufacturing, and also for drone robots, so as robo-advisors for stock trading, as spam filters on email. Google uses it all the time. In social media monitoring tools for dangerous content or false news. These days, false news is everywhere, right? So AI algorithms are being used to detect it and prevent it. It's also being used for the TV show and song recommendations from Spotify and Netflix. Have you ever watched Netflix? Like there should be options where they recommend you accordingly. Or if you go to Amazon or try to shop and then you see some upsells, right? Like people who bought this, they also bought this, right? So they try to test it on you, okay? That they try to recommend products you might like, and there is a good percentage of people who actually buy those products, okay, in the upsells. So that's how the AI algorithms make our lives easier, make us give us profitable businesses, okay? So narrow AI has got some examples here. Google search, image recognition software. For example, you have a computer, basically you have an image and you use an algorithm to understand or learn about who's in the picture. Okay, so using face recognition from the image, you can find out who is there in the picture. Then you have these self-driving cars series, and then IBM's Watson, right? So we're going to learn more about them in depth in our course. Okay, so guys, if you'd like to know more, please subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you're going to have a great day.